Okay, so I've started my program, I've printed welcome to guess the number. Now I want to update my player name variable. Remember the variables we created at the start? I'm going to update that variable with a player input, or the player's input. So player name, the variable player name, equals tells it to update with the input, and now in the brackets is the question that I want it to put, or the string, because the computer doesn't know it's a question. I want it to put that string on the screen and then wait for a response, and it's going to wait for an input from the player. So what's going to happen is when I press run, it'll wait for the input and it'll do this. Then I've told it to print hello, and then the player name, which has just been changed by this input, so it should print whatever I've typed in, and then would you like to guess the number? So it's a string and then the variable and then the string. Notice I've put commas in between, so I've told it to do three things: print that string, comma, print the player name, comma, then print this string, then close the brackets. If it doesn't go green, or if it stays green, for example if you've missed this comma, this inverted comma off the end, the bracket's green, that won't work, you'll get an error. So make sure all these different things are in place. Normally if you get an error, you've either missed a comma out, or you've missed an inverted comma, or you've missed a bracket out. That's a general rule. So let's run this, F5, see what happens. Program runs. Welcome to guess the number. What's your name? My name is Steve. Enter. Hello Steve. Would you like to guess the number? Let's compare that to the actual program. So if we look here side by side, I told it to print the dots, print the dots. Then welcome to the name, welcome to guess the number, welcome to guess the number. What's your name? And the input, so there's the question, and there is what's your name. There's my input, Steve, and then you can see the string split there. Hello, Steve, would you like to guess the number? Hello, Steve, would you like to guess the number? Notice the commas don't appear here. It's just put the three objects next to each other. So the string, the variable, and the other piece of the string.